Welcome to Clean Life Blog, where we make your life easier. Today, we're answering a common question: can Simple Green be used on wood? Let's dive right into it. Simple Green is a versatile cleaner, but can it safely clean wood surfaces? Yes, it can, but with some precautions. Always dilute Simple Green with water before using it on wood. Test a small, inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't damage the finish. Avoid using it on unfinished or porous wood, as it may seep into the wood. Wipe the wood surface clean with a damp cloth or sponge. Dry it thoroughly to prevent any moisture damage. For more in-depth information and tips, head over to cleanlifeblog.com. We've got a detailed article on using Simple Green on wood that you don't want to miss. Remember, proper care and precaution are key to preserving your wood surfaces. That's it for today's quick guide on using Simple Green on wood. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Clean Life Blog. Stay tuned for more useful tips and hacks to make your life cleaner and easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Clean life, happy life.